Hello guys, welcome again to the channel Plus Toy TV. So today we will look for the toy cars at the flower gardens nearby the house. Okay, so come along with me and we'll look for the toy cars at the beautiful gardens. Wow, look at this guys. Wow, look at this. This is a very beautiful modern red car. Look at this, a four-wheel drive cars. Wow, it's amazing. It's in the flower gardens, and here they have the same color and the same model cars. Wow, it's amazing. Beautiful model cars. Okay, here guys, the two more in here. Wow, beautiful model cars in the blue color. Wow, it's in the flower, beautiful flower gardens. Wow, look at this, very nice flower and blue model cars. Okay, keep looking for more cars in the flower gardens. Wow, look at this guys. Wow, look at this. Here's a police car. Here's a police car. Wow, nice. Wow, one more here. Wow, here's plate number at the back. Police car. Police cars found in the flower garden. Wow, look at this guys. Beautiful flowers in here with the model car. Wow, the red color. This one, the red color model cars. And we found the one here, the yellow model cars. Wow, four-wheel drive yellow model cars. Wow, keep looking more guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Wow, the police car. Here, the police car. Wow. Here, city racing car in the blue color. In the blue color, the plate number. And this is the Captain cars. Captain cars. Wow, nice. Wow, here. Look at this. It's amazing, amazing cars, model cars. Wow, we've got two more in here. Yellow police cars, yellow color, and this one also. Wow, nice. Wow, nice car. Thank you for watching.